Good morning. It's Connie. Today I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate today how to make ice sheets. Alright, properly built ice sheets. This is used for heat mitigation and also for emergency purposes. Materials for this would be ice bags and regular bed blankets and a cooler. I'm using today a 154 cooler as this is what we use in our company. First step is to place the bed sheets in the cooler. Again, I pre-prepped a bunch of things. So I take the bed sheets, place it in the cooler. Then I go and take the ice and pour ice as such. Alright, then you're gonna go ahead and take the bed sheets again. You're gonna place it in the cooler. Reason for the knot is so that we can easily pull the sheets out in case there is someone that needs to use the ice sheets. And I'll pour it again. And put another set of ice sheets. Second step is ensure the cooler is 30% water and 70% ice. Reason for that is because obviously ice melts. So with ice melting, you're gonna wanna make sure that the sheets stay directly 30% water, 70% ice. That way the cooler itself can stay cool. Now that I've been building my ice sheets, for this cooler, it took about 2 to 3 bags of ice. That way, again, I can do the proper measurement to make sure that it is 30% water, 70% ice. All right, last step is to ensure that the sheets are kept cool. A lot of times, obviously, we use these ice sheets and it is kept throughout the day. Usually it's like in a 90-degree weather to like 100-degree weather, obviously. And we know that with temperature dropping, it melts. So therefore, we need to make sure throughout the day, we check the coolers, we'll drain the water, add more ice as needed. And that would be the last step. All right, so importance of ice sheets. Biggest thing for this is that with, in the Army, we have about 250 soldiers that will be training. We're doing a lot of physical activity and stuff, so they end up obviously overheating. The ice sheets would be in a different class that I can teach later on exactly where to put it, so that way we can actually cool the temperature body. They're called hotspots, really. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn the camera around. That way those of you that are not in front of me can actually see what it looks like. And at the end, see how it's used. Again, we put it in. I've actually saved 6 lives using ice sheets. They were actually transported to the emergency room without any injuries. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. This is exactly what it would look like. Sheets over here, sheets over here, sheets over here. All right, if there's any questions, again, this is what it's used for. You go put it in the hot spots. That concludes my presentation and my demonstration speech on how to use ice sheets.